Hi, today we are going to discuss one of the types of immunity or immune response. You can subscribe and check on the links in the description for social media links and further information. To understand the immunity or immune response, let's take an example of a bacteria or a germ attacking our system and the various mechanisms through which our body fights through these germs or bacteria is called the immune response. There are two types of immunity. The first one is the humoral or antibody mediated immunity, and the second is cell mediated immunity. Here we are going to discuss the humoral or antibody mediated immunity. Why is it named so, and what is the mechanism behind it? Humoral immunity is named so because it involves substances found in the humors or body fluids, such as antibodies. They provide defense against bacteria, bacterial toxins, and viruses that circulate freely in body fluids before they enter the cells. The first step in the mechanism of antibody mediated immunity is called phagocytosis. We see that the macrophage engulfs the pathogen, and then the macrophage digests the bacteria and it presents the pathogen's antigens to the helper T cells. A helper T cell upon binding to the macrophage becomes an activated T helper cells. And these activated T helper cells then binds to the B cells in order to activate the B cells. T helper cells activate the B cells by release of cytokines like interleukin 2, 4 and 5. When the B cells are activated, some B cells turn into plasma cells and are released in the blood, whilst other B cells become memory B cells, which are responsible for the secondary immune response. The difference between the primary and secondary immune response we'll discuss in the further sessions. Here, what we concentrate is the B cells which turn into plasma cells, because these plasma cells finally secrete different classes of antibodies as a result of class switching. And these antibodies bind to the antigens to fight the invading pathogens. To summarize, the B cells play a major role in humoral immune response, and the helper T cells only helps to activate the B cells, which get transformed into plasma cells and release the antibodies. And all types of antibodies are formed from plasma cells. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and comment below which next topic you want to discuss.